In this video, I will show you how to fix the black and white screen issue on Windows. First, locate the Windows icon on your taskbar at the bottom center of your screen. Right-click on this icon to open up a menu. You'll see several options here, but what we want is Settings. Click on that to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the left sidebar. Click on Accessibility. After clicking on Accessibility, you'll see several options displayed on the right side of the window. Click on Color Filters. Now that you're in Color Filters, take a moment to check if any filters are currently enabled. If you notice that color filters are enabled and set specifically to grayscale, this is likely why your screen appears black and white. To resolve this issue, simply toggle off the switch next to Color Filters. This action should restore normal color functionality to your display. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, accessing settings, navigating to accessibility, locating color filters, and disabling grayscale, the black and white screen issue can be resolved swiftly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.